Hey friend, welcome to the BotBuhdy AI report. Today we've got a packed show for you. NVIDIA and SpaceXAI are taking Grok's brain to orbit. A Grok bot turned $50 into $5,273 in 48 hours. Moonshot AI just made LLMs 6 times faster. Europe is quietly kicking Google and Microsoft out of government. And finally, the GDP numbers are lying to you about AI. Let's get into it.
NVIDIA just dropped something wild. SpaceXAI is deploying brand new Vera CPUs, the first chip ever built specifically for AI agents, and pairing them with the full Vera Rubin platform to scale Grok's infrastructure from Earth all the way into orbit. We're talking up to 1.8 times faster task completion in a planned StarMind AI satellite running optimized Vera Rubin NVL72 systems. Think about that for a second. This isn't just a bigger data center. This is AI infrastructure literally leaving the atmosphere. The chips are purpose-built for tool use, code execution, and multi-agent orchestration at a scale we haven't seen before. If this rolls out the way NVIDIA describes it, the compute race just went vertical, straight up into low Earth orbit.
Wait, what? I had to read this one twice. This changes things.
This one is genuinely nuts. Someone handed a Grok-powered bot $50 and one instruction: pay for itself or die. 48 hours later, that $50 was $5,273. How did it pull that off? The bot scanned 500 to 1,000 polymarket markets every 10 minutes, pulled in live sentiment from X, flagged mispriced bets, and sized its positions using the Kelly criterion. When it found better edges, it pivoted straight into weather markets. And here's the kicker: it used its own profits to self-fund its $200 monthly subscription. No human touched the wheel. This is autonomous AI trading in the wild, not a simulation. Real money, real markets. And it's forcing a very real conversation about what happens when agents like this start operating at scale.
Now, this is impressive. Seriously, take a look at what they pulled off.
While the whole industry is obsessed with building bigger and bigger chips, Moonshot AI just found a shortcut. Their new Kimi-linear attention architecture lets large language models run 6 times faster while using 75% less GPU memory compared to standard full attention. And the wild part, there's no performance drop. In some cases, the results actually got better. This matters because compute has been the biggest bottleneck in scaling AI. If this architecture holds up under wider testing, it could seriously lower the barrier for training and running frontier-level models, meaning smaller labs and companies could compete without needing a warehouse full of GPUs. Efficiency breakthroughs like this don't always make headlines, but they quietly reshape who gets to play in the AI game.
All right, I will be honest, I was a little skeptical when I first saw this one. But hear me out.
Big tech is losing ground in Europe, and fast. France is ripping Google and Microsoft software out of 2.5 million government computers. Germany is moving 30,000 PCs off Windows entirely. And Denmark just announced it's dropping Microsoft Office altogether. This isn't 3 unrelated stories. It's a coordinated push toward what European officials are calling digital sovereignty, the idea that critical government infrastructure shouldn't depend on foreign tech companies. For Google and Microsoft, this is a real hit to their public sector footprint in some of the largest economies in Europe. And for European or open source alternatives, this could be the opening they've been waiting for. Watch this space, because if this trend spreads to other EU countries, it could reshape the enterprise tech map.
This is fascinating. The more I looked into this, the more interesting it got.
Here's a number that should make economists nervous. Epoch AI dug into the official US GDP statistics and found they're significantly understating NVIDIA's actual value add to the economy. By how much? Roughly 0.3 percentage points of GDP growth over the last year, missed entirely as AI infrastructure spending has exploded. That might sound small, but 0.3 points of GDP is a massive chunk of economic activity to just not see. And it raises a bigger question. If the official numbers are missing the AI boom this badly, what else are they getting wrong? This isn't just an academic nitpick. It has real consequences for how the Fed sets policy, how governments plan budgets, and how investors think they understand what's actually driving growth right now.
That's all for today, friend. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe. I will see you tomorrow with more AI news. Until then, stay curious, stay informed, and remember, leverage your intelligence.